Are you looking for the top 3D scanning services in Mehrauli, Delhi, NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to provide you with the best scanning services you could ever imagine. When it comes to 3D scanning, Scon Design India Private Ltd is at the top of the game. Their expertise and commitment to excellence make them the go-to choice for anyone in need of high-quality scanning services. With their top-notch equipment and experienced professionals, Scon Design India Private Ltd guarantees accurate and precise 3D scans every time. Whether you need to scan a small object or a large-scale project, they have the capability to handle it all. Their cutting-edge technology allows them to capture even the finest details with incredible precision, giving you a scan that is as close to reality as possible. But what sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other scanning services in the area? It's their dedication to customer satisfaction. They understand that each project is unique and requires individual attention. That's why they work closely with their clients to understand their specific needs and provide customized solutions. No matter how big or small your project is, they will go above and beyond to ensure that you are satisfied with the final result. Another reason why Scon Design India Private Ltd is the top choice for 3D scanning services is their quick turnaround time. They understand that time is of the essence and strive to deliver your scanned files as quickly as possible. Their efficient workflow and streamlined processes allow them to complete projects in a timely manner without compromising on quality. So, if you're in Mehrauli, Delhi NCR and in need of top 3D scanning services, look no further than Scon Design India Private Ltd. Are you looking for the top 3D scanning services in Mehrauli, Delhi NCR? Look no further, because Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to meet all your scanning needs. With their cutting-edge technology and skilled team, they are revolutionizing the world of 3D scanning. Whether you need to scan small objects or large structures, Scon Design India Private Ltd has got you covered. Their expertise and attention to detail ensure that you will receive accurate and high-quality scans every time. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from the competition is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that every project is unique and requires a personalized approach. That's why they take the time to listen to your specific requirements and tailor their services accordingly. Whether you are an architect, engineer, or designer, they will work closely with you to ensure that the final scan meets your exact specifications. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Private Ltd for your 3D scanning needs is their state-of-the-art equipment. They use the latest scanning technology, including laser scanners and photogrammetry, to capture every detail with precision.